Okay, class 10th, we are going to continue this chapter number 7, climate. And in the previous class, we did some important terms related to this chapter. Now, today, we'll do some climatic data exercises related to climatic data. Okay. Okay, children, what's that on the screen? Yes, that's the climatic data, right, children? So, here in this climatic data, two stations are given. Station name is station A and station B, right? And in another one, another station, station name is it's not given, but it's given their month and temperature. It's given in degree Celsius. Rainfall it's given in centimeter. So here also rainfall it's given in centimeter, and somewhere rainfall is also given in millimeter. So this degree Celsius and centimeter is very important. That unit is very must. Okay, children, first of all, I'll tell you how to read how to study the climatic data, right, children? So here it's given in question number 30D. Study the climatic data given below and answer the questions that follow. Months, it's given January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December, right? And here temperature, it's given in degree Celsius, and rainfall, it's given in centimeter. So temperature of January month is 23.1 degrees Celsius. So this degree Celsius is must, right? And February you have 24.8 degrees Celsius. March 26.5 degrees Celsius. April 29.3 degrees Celsius, and so on, right? Now rainfall, it's given January month. The rainfall occurs how much? 15.3 centimeter. February 10.1 centimeter. March 0.3 centimeter. April 0.1 centimeter. May 1.3 centimeter, and so on. Okay, now let's start the exercises. Study the climatic data given below and answer the questions that follow. Now see the first question, name the driest month. So the driest means, driest month means the month in that station that the least, the lowest rainfall recorded month, right? Calculate the annual rainfall experienced by the station. So in this annual rainfall, what you are going to do is, annual rainfall means you are going to add all the months rainfall. And what is the annual range of temperature? In this annual rainfall, annual range, this range is important. Range means it's a difference. So difference means difference between highest and lowest, right? Okay, now the first question was, name the driest month. So the least rainfall recorded month is it's a 4.6 January, February 1.8, 1.3 is March, and now just see this less than 1.3. This is 1.8. 1.11.2, 11.30. So this 1.3 is the least rainfall recorded. So 1.3, that is in which month? March. So the answer is, the driest month is March. And 1.3 centimeter rainfall it's recorded, right? So this 1.3 is the driest. March month is the driest month with 1.3 centimeter rainfall. Now the second question is, calculate the annual rainfall experienced by the station. So annual rainfall means you are going to add all these months rainfall. So how you are going to add? 4.6 plus 1.8 plus 1.3 plus 1.8 plus 3.8 plus 4.5 plus 8.7 plus 11.3 plus 11.9 plus 30.6 plus 35.0 means 35 only, and plus 13.9. So whatever the total it's coming out, that will be your total annual rainfall, and that should be in centimeter, right? That should this rainfall should be in centimeter. Whatever the answer it's total it's coming out, that is your answer with centimeter, right? What was the third question? Third question was, what is the annual range of temperature? So as I told you, annual range means you are going to make a difference between the highest and the lowest temperature recorded, because the question is what is the annual range of temperature. So temperature means you are going to see in this column, temperature column, right? So temperature, it's a 24 point okay, now let's find out the highest temperature recorded. So the highest temperature recorded is, I'm finding it, this one, June, 32.5 degrees Celsius, right? So this is the highest temperature recorded month, June, with 32.5. Now the least one, the lowest temperature recorded, 31, 30, 24.7, 20.4. Okay, so 20.4 degrees Celsius, that is in April month, is the lowest temperature recorded. So in this annual range of temperature, what you are going to do is you are going to subtract this 20.4, the lowest, from the highest one, the highest temperature recorded. It's a 32.5 minus 20.4 degrees Celsius, right? So whatever answer it's coming. Now, if you are subtracting this 20.4 from 32.5 degrees Celsius, it's 12.1 degrees Celsius it's coming out. So 12.1 degrees Celsius is the annual range of temperature of this station. Is it clear, children? Okay. Okay, this much for today. We'll continue with the same chapter in the next video.